Francisco. He rolls up. Under no circumstances are you fishing.
Huh?
Fishing game come up. Under no circumstances are you fishing.
Ooh, that was a good one.
Francisco, there you go. What are you doing? About $5 for the first, $5 for the second, or $5 for the biggest, $5 for the most.
That is my fishing dance to catch the fish. And if that doesn't work, this will work. And if that doesn't work, eating a little bit of this will work. Here, I want you to get a look at this and you smell this. Smell it. How does that smell?
Like a fish.
Like fish dicks or fish sticks? One or the other. It's pretty goddamn good. So look, we're gonna take a little tour of the lake. We got some birds right over there. Look, birds. Little patos. Is that right, patos? And then we got a pescado. Allá. Muerte.
Muerto.
Muerto.
Watch out, watch
That
out.
motherfucker's dead. Oh, dude,